Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to be doing a little makeup tutorial with the Fill Up Orange palette that we just got in our June BoxyCharm. So I'll say right off the bat, the only shade that I'm even using from this palette is that sparkly orange that you guys said that you wanted to see. So let's just jump into it. I'm excited to just be sitting down filming a makeup tutorial. I feel like I haven't filmed anything other than a BoxyCharm video in forever. So let's just get into it. The only palettes I'm going to be using besides this one is the Alamar Cosmetics palette that we did get in a BoxyCharm, and then the James Charles palette. That's James Charles palette, right? Yeah. Okay, so first I'm taking the Alamar Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Cocoa Taxi right here. It's like a darker burnt orange, and it does have a hint of shimmer in it, but you can ignore that because it really doesn't translate on the eye. I'm taking this on a really fluffy brush, and this is going to become our transition shade. It's just a little bit darker than what you would typically use, and I wanted this to kind of start us off with some of those orange tones. Getting that all over the inner to the outer crease. And this is such an easy look too. I'm going to go in with an e.l.f. dense brush, and I'm going in with the James Charles palette, and I'm going in with the darker red shade. Okay, getting that all over my brush, and I'm just going to start stamping it on the outer corner right on top of the lash line. Very pigmented. It's like a hot orange red-ish color. Stamping that and just kind of moving it up. It's really pigmented. You honestly don't have to even go back in to dip twice. So once I've got that on, I'm going to go in with the lighter orange color that is right beneath it. And I'm going to make my way slowly towards the inner part of my eye, just slowly making my way in. Then I'm going to go in with a bright orange that's right next to that, and like I said, just keep slowly making your way in towards the inner corner of your eye. So we're kind of creating almost like a gradient, like it's getting lighter and lighter the closer we get to the inside of the eye. Okay, this is such an easy look, it's like unbelievable. I'm going in next with a flat top brush and that orange palette, and we're going to go in with our winning shade, which is the sparkly orange. And we're going to just, I like to say, paint this on from the inner corner to the center of the lid. And we are going to go right up into the crease as well, just not going above where we have that matte shade. Now, this is nice because you don't have to put down a primer. A lot of the times when I'll do a cut crease with a glitter, I'll put down like a concealer first to make it pop. You don't have to with this. It's such a bright, sparkly orange color. You don't have to like do any legwork to get it to show up. So let me put mascara on the bottom really quick. I'm using my Lily Lashes mascara we also got in BoxyCharm. I do have lash extensions on now, which makes doing makeup tutorials a lot harder just because you have to be careful with them. You can't wear eyeliner with them, etc. It's harder to take your makeup off when you have these. But I just wanted to like give that disclaimer. But so I just got my hair out of the way so that you guys could really see what the eye looks like. It's super pretty and casual, and honestly, it makes it look like you only used like 1 or 2 shades, but we really used 3 to kind of get that background dimension. Almost like iridescent orange sparkles. I think it's really pretty. I think you could also find a way to incorporate like yellow into this. If we did like some yellow, matte yellow on the inner corner before putting that orange on, it would have popped a lot more in a more yellow way, and that would have added even more gradient to the look. So I think that would be a cute idea to try too. On my lips, I'm wearing ColourPop Sagan Matte Liquid Lipstick with Jeffree Star Coral Fixation in the middle, and I patted it out with my finger. So I thought that that was really pretty with the lip color because it almost just looks kind of like a red coral lip. I don't think it's too much, honestly. I feel like it just looks good. Like, it doesn't look too extra to me. I would totally wear this. Thank you guys so much for watching my little tutorial. I'm happy to be back filming again. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next. I really like this. Bye.